Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can use the Smart Diagnosis function in your dryer LG RC. So it's a cool feature that you want to check what is wrong with your dryer. You have to open the ThinQ application and open your appliance. Then click on the useful features and click on the Smart Diagnosis. Then click on the Get Started. Okay, I have to turn off the appliance and turn it on again. Tap on the Get Started again. And now it's a important thing. You have to hold the phone very close to the Smart Diagnosis button. So let's tap on the Smart Diagnosis again and hold the microphone of your appliance near to the turn on button on your appliance. The maximum length from the phone to the button is 10 millimeters. Tap on the Get Started. And as you can see, on my phone with my appliances, everything's okay. You can tap on the Diagnosis Complete or the customer support. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.